You are watching Khaos Crypto News, the crypto news that you need to know.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Khaos Crypto News, the crypto news you need to know. I hope you all had a good weekend and a happy Monday to you today. We're going to be covering some XRP news, some scams, some meme coin mania, Cardano news, and more. So let's get right into it today. We don't want to take too much of your time. Top stories today: over 1,000 human trafficking victims were rescued from crypto scam exploitation. Police in the Philippines have rescued more than 1,000 people held captive and forced to run online crypto scams. Philippine National Police had rescued 1,090 people from several Asian nations who were trafficked into the country. Trafficking victims are often tricked or coerced into promoting scam crypto investments. The report added that police also arrested at least 12 suspected ringleaders. The scammers were believed to be affiliated with the Colorful and Leap group. The Philippines and Southeast Asia have become a hotbed of activity for crypto scams. According to the report, the victims are offered online jobs, free flights, and accommodation. However, after arrival in the country, their passports were confiscated. Furthermore, they were made to work up to 18 hours a day with salary deductions for taking breaks. She said that workers were trained to entice strangers into buying crypto assets or depositing money into bogus bank accounts after establishing fake romantic relationships. Crypto scams resulted in losses of more than $100 million in April. A larger portion of that was due to exit scams. Crypto markets are on the retreat this Monday. Total capitalization has declined by 2% over the past 24 hours and is currently $1.2 trillion. Moreover, more than $70 billion has exited crypto markets since the end of last week. Moving on here, some Chainlink news gearing up for its next move here. Popular crypto analyst Kevin Svensson says that the leading decentralized Oracle service Chainlink is in for a big move when the altcoin markets wake up. The analyst tells his 126,000 Twitter followers that Link's moving average convergence divergence, also known as the MACD indicator, is foreshadowing an unexpected upside spike. Chainlink monthly MACD indicator is about to have the first bullish cross up since the end of 2022. I'm long as fuck, he says. Link, a surprise pump is coming. If Pepe profits starting to flow into Bitcoin and ETH, the entire market is going to skyrocket. You're forgetting about how much leverage is available. $500 million could equal many billions in volume. Svensson also says Bitcoin bears and skeptics will be shocked by the flagship crypto asset's next move. He has previously called for a rally up to 48,000, which would then ignite another bullish season for altcoins. Exciting stuff in the pipes coming down. Chainlink is definitely a great asset that's used in a lot of different aspects, but it is Ethereum based, so the pricing to move it around is pretty expensive. Shout out Rosemary, happy Monday. How you doing today? Moving on, we're going to talk a little bit about Cardano here. Cardano is more bullish than you think, the data shows. Despite the 2% decline in its value today, Cardano might be more bullish than it appears at first glance. A closer look at the on-chain data reveals a surprising trend. The majority of orders on the market are buys rather than sells. Recent data indicates that buyers are stepping in, accumulating ADA at the current price levels. This buying pressure may be driven by the belief that the digital asset is undervalued and poised for significant upward movement in the coming weeks or months. One factor contributing to the bullish sentiment around Cardano is the project's steady progress in terms of development and adoption. Another aspect that may be attracting investors to Cardano is its focus on sustainability and energy efficiency. Despite the current bearish trend in the market, Cardano's strong fundamentals and the bullish on-chain data could serve as a catalyst for potential price reversal. I mean, obviously, one of Cardano's big features is the development and adoption, but despite all the development, despite the activity, despite the community, Cardano's doing kind of what XRP is doing. It's not really doing a whole lot. It's kind of just trading sideways for the last little while. I am holding a little bit of Cardano still in hopes that something will turn around, but I'm definitely not all in on it by any means. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about some of this meme coin mania that's still happening. As much as I don't understand it, I'm still trying to stay in the loop here. So reality hits meme coins as Pepe traders lose 7 million in just 24 hours. Pepe, the poster boy of this year's meme coin season, is down by almost 50% from its all-time high. Is this the end of its rally? And these numbers are changing fast. It's going 50% down, 100% down, then another 50, 70% up. It's crazy. This is what a lot of these articles are saying anyways. I'm not seeing that in the charts, but while Pepe has given over 1,000% price rise in less than a month, investors need to stay cautious of high volatility and various scams. Pepe is now available on Kucoin and Binance, so a lot of people are saying that that's the end of the main rally that's happening. As Bitcoin dropped below 28,000, trades worth over 144 million got liquidated in the past 24 hours. Pepe traders lost 7.23 million to liquidation alone. So there's a Pepe whale that's sitting on unrealized loss of over $700,000 in just 3 days due to this volatility. And you got to realize too, there are these gains happening, but a lot of them are just paper gains often. What you'll see is, these prices rise and then there's no liquidity to sell, or there's no buyers to sell to at that price. So oftentimes people are stuck with the bag, whether they like it or not. More Pepe in the news here. Pepe sudden drop leaves whale 500K in the red. So I think they're talking about the same whale here. The price of new meme coins has plunged more than 42% only days after reaching its all-time high on May 6th, leaving at least one investor with hundreds of thousands in paper losses. One crypto whale purchased 962.3 billion Pepe tokens using 70 wrapped Bitcoin and 470 ETH for an average price of basically nothing on May 5th. That's an insane amount of money to be dropping into speculative and useless meme coins. I can't believe people have that kind of money just sitting around that they can throw into a joke. But Pepe has, however, fallen 42% from its all-time high since then. According to CoinGecko, the crypto investors' Pepe holdings are now estimated to be worth only 2.4 million, marking an unrealized loss of more than 600 grand. Despite the recent decline, Pepe still holds a market cap of just over $1 billion, making it the 45th largest crypto overall by valuation. Crazy. Since its inception on April 14th, Pepe has attracted widespread attention, witnessing over 636 million in trading volume within the last 24 hours alone, and single-handedly burning more than 5,000 ETH in related gas fees. Unreal. Now there's a Pepe copycat kicking around that has jumped over 1,000% in just the last day. Here's some reasons. After about 2 weeks of unending meme coin hype, more variants keep coming out through unknown sources or means. Kek is one of the latest that is copying Pepe, the meme coin that has led the revolution over the past several days. Up by 10, excuse me, up, oh boy, up by over 1,000% in the past 24 hours. Like most meme coins just getting into the limelight today, Kek is an entirely new token, and it is recording its most significant price actions in tandem with the recent upsurge that was ushered in by Pepe. One major reason why Kek may be seeing such significant price action is the influence of Pepe itself. Besides being a relatively new token with a growing community of its own, the meme coin is disguised as a lookalike of Pepe, which might give people the impression that both projects are intertwined when they are in fact not. Now, on the meme coin topic, because this is essentially what is taking the market by storm this week, BRC20 meme coin craze overwhelms Bitcoin network minting fees, reaching record highs. Meme coins are transitioning to the BRC20 standard. According to network metrics, trends show that there's something of a BRC20 meme coin craze on the Bitcoin network. Meme coins, which have seen a surge in popularity in the past few months, are beginning to take over Bitcoin as well. These new meme coins are being minted using the BRC20 standard instead of Ethereum, as the latter is seeing congestion from the new tokens. Daily minting fees on BRC20 reached a record high of 247 Bitcoin on May 7th. The chart shows a significant peaking for these fees in late April, which was around the time when Bitcoin daily transactions reached an all-time high because of the ordinals, which we'll talk about in a minute here. From another perspective, the transaction fees on Bitcoin crossed 400 Bitcoin on May 7th, an 18-fold increase from a month ago. BRC tokens have clearly taken over the Bitcoin network, with these tokens reaching a market cap of 541 million so far. There's a total of 14,000 plus such tokens, with many being just meme coins. The popularity of ordinals has also led to Binance halting Bitcoin withdrawals, which we'll touch on a little more in a minute here. The exchange halted withdrawals twice in 12 hours because of large volume of pending transactions. The fact that these meme coins are affecting the world's biggest centralized exchange is proof that there is absolute mania at the moment. Now, to touch on the Binance drama here, Binance resumes Bitcoin withdrawals after halting transactions twice in 12 hours. Binance tweeted earlier on Monday that our set fees did not anticipate the recent surge in Bitcoin network gas fees and that it was attempting to solve the issue by replacing the transactions with a higher fee so that they get picked up by mining pools. Pending transactions are being processed by replacing them with higher fees, Binance said after it resumed withdrawals. To prevent a similar recurrence in the future, our fees have been adjusted. We will continue to monitor on-chain activity and adjust accordingly if needed. Data from CryptoQuant showed that Binance saw total outflow of around 188,281 Bitcoin on Sunday alone, the largest daily volume on CryptoQuant's records that tracks data starting in May 2020. Now, a meme coin speedrun goes viral, sparking scam concerns. This is pretty crazy. Ready, set, token. That's the gist of a video shared by digital artist Johnny Shankman, also known as I Am White Lights on Twitter, where the Brooklyn-based creator takes a time-centered approach to creating a new coin. With a few flicks of the cursor and some fast typing, Shankman is able to write and deploy a smart contract for a token called Easy Money, and the entire process took a total of just 27 seconds, documenting what is perhaps the first meme coin speedrun. Speedrunning has decades-old roots in the gaming community, dating back to retro classics like Dragster and Super Mario Kart, where players try to complete video games as fast as possible. But Shankman's video takes a time-tested method for mastering video games and applies it to Web3 tech. The artist's display of dexterity comes amid a meme coin frenzy where tokens like Pepe and Wajak are notching notable gains. Many of the emergent meme tokens are ERC20 tokens, meaning they're built on Ethereum network using smart contracts and adhere to a standard set of rules, as well as take about $50+ to get in and another $50+ to get out of them. Shankman's method for churning out easy money involves using a so-called contracts wizard created by the crypto cybersecurity firm OpenZeppelin. The tool can generate code for an ERC20 token based on just a handful of inputs. Then, using the application Remix, the token smart contract is compiled and deployed in seconds. On Saturday, the artist warned that the video was made for educational purposes only, and that his Easy Money token was deployed on a testnet, indicating it wasn't a full-fledged launch. Additionally, he also called attention to a token using the same name as his example that he did not make, adding that he will not be buying it. Improving on Shankman's meme coin speedrun, a user named OxDid on Twitter was able to shave off a handful of seconds, bringing the unofficial world record down to 22.45 seconds according to their post. Unbelievable. Still, meme coins are far from just a joke, carrying the potential for astronomical gains, but often leading to FOMO that can be leveraged by bad actors. The online blockchain sleuth Zach XBT, known for exposing crypto scams, pointed out how many times a repost of the speedrun has been bookmarked responding, "What the fuck?" 1,937 bookmarks. As of this writing, Lupify's post has garnered over 14,000 bookmarks on Twitter, outpacing both likes and retweets. "You just showed how to make a rug. We are doomed," a user commented, alluding to the common crypto scam where a token's development team suddenly disappears as an asset's value tanks. Obviously, be aware, folks. Be smart regarding these meme tokens if you're going to invest. Definitely a lot of people playing with leverage and smaller amounts overall. LimeWire considers XRP integration for token sales. Some exciting news in the XRP space. LimeWire, the once controversial peer-to-peer file sharing platform turned content creation hub, is considering integrating Ripple's XRP currency as a payment method for the ongoing public sale of the LimeWire token. LimeWire called on the Ripple community to voice their support, promising that if the tweet received 300 retweets, XRP would go live on the platform the following day. This comes shortly after the platform integrated ADA as a payment method for its public token sale, following an enthusiastic response from the Cardano community. The curtain fell on LimeWire in 2010, as many of you know, with the Recording Industry Association of America filing a lawsuit against the platform for copyright infringement, marking the end of one of the internet's most infamous file sharing services. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the Bitcoin ordinals. This is new information to me, and I thought maybe y'all might find it interesting yourself. So ordinals break Bitcoin. Transaction fees exceed rewards as congestion rises. On Sunday, Bitcoin block 788695 registered higher transaction fees than miner rewards, a very rare moment in the crypto history, thanks to congestion caused by a surge in ordinals NFTs. The transaction fees for block 7,888,695 were 6.71 Bitcoin, surpassing the amount of Bitcoin minted on the block, worth 6.25 Bitcoin. This left Miner Foundry USA pool with a negative return on investment. For comparison, an average transaction fees near past Bitcoin bull market peaks were around 2.905 Bitcoin. Transaction fees exceeding miner rewards has only happened a handful of times in Bitcoin's history. 2017 was a notable example. Now, the unexpectedly high costs and fees have risen due to new Bitcoin protocol BRC20, which allows users to permanently inscribe data on single Satoshis. This feature has created a new kind of NFT marketplace where predominantly texts and JPEGs are placed on the blockchain and sold as what's called Bitcoin ordinals. These days, it's not uncommon to see one block upload over 3,000 inscriptions. According to Dune Analytics, more than 476,000 images have been uploaded on the Bitcoin blockchain so far, with miners raking in more than 482 Bitcoin in fees for the inscriptions alone. Meanwhile, traditional FNFTs are crashing. Crazy stuff there. Definitely worth checking out if you're a Bitcoin maxi, or even if you just like dabbling in the Bitcoin a little bit. Our final story for this morning is going to be Ripple related. Ripple to expand to Dubai, says Brad Garlinghouse. Ripple is opening an office in the heart of Dubai International Finance Center and acquiring Swell Global 2023. Garlinghouse disclosed the development at the Dubai FinTech Summit that is happening today and talked passionately about the customer base in the Middle East. According to him, the regulatory operations have made the country a good choice for setting up offices. Most importantly, he said that Dubai is rising to become the new international financial center for crypto innovation. In the United States, things have not been very friendly for the popular crypto solutions firm. Obviously, Dubai is also doing a lot of human rights violations, so there's that. Ripple has majorly looked at serving customers around the world, with more than 90% of the firm's clientele from outside the United States. In late 2021, Ripple announced the launch of its first ever ODL deployment in the Middle East. So exciting stuff, making moves, and it looks like North America is going to be the ones left behind here when Ripple branches out to all its other clients all over the world. But with that pretty much wraps up today's video. We're going to try to get on for a Chaos verse this week, time permitting, of course. Everyone's getting really swamped with everything going on. But, of course, we're going to try to bring you the most up-to-date information first. For now, I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all have a great week. Hopefully, we're going to be doing some more Chaos Crypto news this week as things progress in the markets. Super exciting stuff on the way. Not financial advice, of course, but Cardano, Link, Bitcoin, all on the rise. Meme coins going crazy. Be smart. Don't get scammed. Be extremely skeptical in today's market, folks, and always do your own research. Take care. Again, thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.